My name is Nathan. This is a story about a tree, but more importantly, it's a story about memory, loss, and the fight for what's right. For decades, a majestic oak stood on my property. It wasn't just a tree. It was a living monument to my late wife, Wendy, and our life together. We carved our initials into its bark, a small act that held immense meaning. It was our special place, a symbol of our enduring love. Before leaving for Antarctica, I waved goodbye to that tree, never imagining the devastation that awaited my return. Months later, I returned home, eager to see my beloved oak. But what I found instead was a gaping void, a fresh, raw stump. My heart sank. The symbol of my life with Wendy, gone. It was an unbearable loss, a violation of sacred ground. Adjacent to my property, a new high-end furniture workshop, Timber and Grain Designs, had recently opened. A chilling suspicion began to form. Driven by a desperate hope, I visited their showroom. It was filled with exquisite artisan furniture, each piece a testament to fine craftsmanship. My eyes scanned the pieces: a live-edged dining table, a coffee table, a bench. Then I saw it. A faint, familiar mark. Under the polished finish of a console table, barely visible, were the initials, N and W 1990. My heart pounded. It was my tree. The memories flooded back. Our wedding photos, quiet afternoons spent beneath its branches. This wasn't just wood. It was our history. I knew I had to act. This wasn't about revenge, but about justice, about honoring Wendy's memory and reclaiming what was stolen. I meticulously gathered every piece of evidence: property deeds, survey maps clearly marking the tree's location, and countless photographs. I sifted through old albums, each picture a painful reminder, yet also a powerful weapon in my fight for justice. I contacted legal counsel and a salvage company, building an irrefutable case against Marcus, the owner of Timber and Grain Designs. The day of their grand showcase arrived. The showroom buzzed with potential buyers, unaware of the drama about to unfold. Then the county sheriff and I walked in, a court order in hand. The chatter died down. All eyes turned to us. Marcus's face, initially arrogant, contorted into shock and then anger as he realized the gravity of the situation. One by one, the furniture pieces crafted from my stolen oak were systematically seized and removed, a public dismantling of his deceit. The showroom, once vibrant, became empty and desolate. Marcus stood amidst the void, his business and reputation shattered. For me, it wasn't about vengeance. It was about reclaiming a piece of my past, a symbol of love, and ensuring justice prevailed. The settlement included a significant payment, a public apology, and the return of all wood scraps. My tree, in a way, came home. This story is a reminder that some things are priceless, and the fight for what's right, no matter how personal, is always worth it.